Today I am unboxing and testing the Eveready Hero DL80 Rechargeable Torch cum Emergency Sidelight. The torch comes well packed inside an Amazon package. Let's open the package and see what we get inside. Here is the Eveready Hero DL80 box. As you can see, the box is quite small because this is the compact mini torch. On the front we have the Eveready branding, which mentions India's #1 torch brand. The box also mentions that this is a 1-watt rechargeable torch and this particular model is Eveready Hero DL80. Now let's take a look at some of the specifications mentioned on the box. For charging, the torch comes with micro USB charging cable. The main 1-watt torch uses super bright white LED rated at 3 watts and 350 milliamps and produces up to 120 lumens of brightness. Apart from the main torch, it also has a 2-watt emergency sidelight with 10 LEDs. The sidelight is rated at 3 watts and 60 milliamps and produces 25 lumens of brightness. It comes with rechargeable lithium-ion battery rated for up to 500 recharge cycles. Eveready also mentions super fast charging in approximately 3 hours using the micro USB charging port. There is a charging indicator as well. The indicator blinks while the torch is charging and remains constantly lit once the battery is fully charged. It also comes with overcharge and deep discharge protection, which helps protect the rechargeable battery. The MRP printed on the box is 160, while I purchased this torch from Amazon for 150. On the other side of the box, you can once again see the main specifications, features of the torch. Now let's unbox it. Inside the box, we get Eveready Hero DL80 torch along with a micro USB charging cable. The torch I have here is blue in color. It is also available in red and yellow variants. As you can see, this torch is really small, compact and very handy. Its portable size makes it easy to carry around and you can even keep it in your pocket. Here you can see the micro USB charging port which is used to recharge the built-in battery. On the side we have a 2-watt emergency sidelight, while at the front we have the 1-watt main LED torch. The overall build quality feels quite good considering its compact size and price. It is lightweight and easy to carry wherever you go. Here we have the power button which is used to control the different lighting modes. A single click turns the main torch on and off. A double click activates the automatic flasher mode. Clicking again switches to the sidelight in the dim mode, while a long press activates the sidelight in high brightness mode. This is the included micro USB cable which can be used to recharge the torch. Another useful feature is that you can place the torch upright on the flat surface like this and use the sidelight. This makes it useful as an emergency lamp during a power cut or whenever you need hands-free lighting. Now let's test the torch in complete darkness. First, here is the main torch. You can see how bright the brightness is in the dark. Despite the small size of the torch, the main LED produces a good amount of light. And now let's switch to the sidelight. Here is the brightness of the emergency sidelight in the dark. It provides wider spread of light, making it useful when you want to illuminate the area around you rather than focusing the light in one direction. Now let's test the main torch from a greater distance. I have a completely dark room here, so let's see how well this little torch can illuminate it. And here you go. You can see the reach of the main torch. It manages to illuminate the dark room quite well for such a small and compact torch. Now let's try the sidelight. As you can see, the sidelight spreads the light across the room really well. This can be especially useful during power cuts or emergency situations. And finally, here you can see the torch while it is charging. The charging indicator blinks while charging, and once the battery is fully charged, the indicator becomes steady. Overall, the Eveready Hero DL80 is a compact and portable rechargeable torch that combines a main LED torch with an emergency sidelight. Its small size makes it easy to keep at home, carry in your bag, or even put it in your pocket. It can be useful during power cuts, while traveling, or whenever you need an emergency light. If you are interested in buying the Eveready Hero DL80 rechargeable torch cum emergency sidelight, I have mentioned the purchase link in the video description below.